We take the students that we get, wherever they are ability-wise, and we push them and move them forward. We offer things like early morning math lab support 4 days a week if students are struggling. And we've got just a solid department of good quality teachers where we push the kids every single day of the week.
In addition to chemistry, we offer biology, physics, AP Physics, AP Chemistry, and AP Biology. But what we pride ourselves here on Christian Brothers is not just talking about science, but doing science. This allows them to really get a feel for science and actually practice and engage in it.
It is a great community. One of the biggest things is not only just educating the students as far as their mind, but also trying to educate their hearts as well. And that is just something that kind of spoke to me, and building those relationships with students that I just really haven't been able to find or see at other places that I've taught at before.
Very hands-on, as Mr. Nichols said, right? Everything is project-based. We spend a lot of time getting out of the way and letting them learn by doing. That's more fun than hearing our voices go for 5 hours a week. We do our best, but we tend to get a little monotone a little bit. So we get out of the way, we let them learn by doing, and that's kind of the plan.
This is the Marr School of Business, which we had built a few years ago thanks to the generous donation of Bill Maher. You can read his quote on the wall. He said, "You can get a good education in a lot of schools, but only the Christian Brothers will teach you how to be a man."